next day I'm leaving. Far too cold, I'm just frigid freezing. Fuck these girls for no fucking reason. Fuck the world, I don't need no reason. C-class Benz on the highway speeding, eyes bleeding. I'ma see just leaning. I'ma got gal in the back saying no, said I'm doing, I'm squeezing. They see cool, said I'm doing, I'm sneezing. No, said them bulls, said I'm doing, I'm teasing. Want a drink, but I don't do leaning. That shit give me an unfull feeling. Rather be smoking weed and wheezing. Just food and sex and sleeping. I'm in the one beer, bad news, but your girlfriend cheating. Come with the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. Pon the 400 quick, believe me, girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link pon the tool and come. So friends to the face, I hear the voice now. You don't know, say a Cogency pon the Cogency Rocks channel. And today, we have Tkorstretch featuring BGody, TzGwala, Lucii, Escobars with Flamenco Dance Remix. You understand? Bro, if you can say I'm sweating, you understand? The last 3 songs I react to, all of them got me hype. You see it? So, TK, bro, the first Flamenco dance was 10 out of 10. This, TK, I know you're not disappointed, you know. But make sure, say, nobody no put no fuck reverse on this, you know. That me I tell you. Alright. You don't know. BGody, sick. YA sick. TZ sick. Lucii devilish. I don't know who Escobars is, but we're going to find out now. You see me? Click my links in the description and like, share, comment, subscribe. Big up on yourself. I could jump in that. Epilepsy. You know what epilepsy?
Yo. Hell. Rockstar. I ain't a pop star.
So, alright, there's my question now. So, I seen Tkorstretch do a song with him named Ghostface, right? But Ghostface and NR no cool no more. So what's going on? What's going on? Anyway, let's continue.
Hell. Rockstar. I ain't a pop star. Dio drip, I'm fly helicopter.
Tkorstretch.
Hey. TZ. I don't, correct me if I'm wrong, but TZ is looking like he's getting fat, fam. He look like he was trying to catch up Lucii, dog, I swear.
Them gems can't diss.
Escobars.
Uja bless, no one curse.
No man cares.
Listen.
Bow.
Yo.
Back that Chile flamenco dance. Doing white tea, turn red, that's France. They're telling me Tiki a tune soon chart. When I hear them, they're making me dance. Flow so sick, still got enhanced. When I'm chilling in stew, gotta spark this dog. Like a Zubi, yeah, your gal gets passed. Like a Zubi, yeah, your friend gets rough. Back that Chile flamenco dance. Doing white tea, turn red, that's France. They're telling me Tiki a tune soon chart. When I hear them, they're making me dance. Flow so sick, still got enhanced. When I'm chilling in stew, gotta spark this dog. Like a Zubi, yeah, your gal gets passed. Yo,
Your friend gets Ross.
back this smoke, Aki. Niggas get burnt like Riz and Backy. I was rocking designer and Apsy. Bang up with Triz like Bobby Abby. Now I'm selling that Bobby and Mandy. Post that pic, don't at me, bitch. Talk to the feds, yeah, I know you snitch. I was playing with 9s, extendo clips. I can post this Bernard boys, Hubbardar. Link a foreign ting in a German car.
Oh, Hubbardar.
Endo clips. I can post this Bernard boys, Hubbardar. Link a foreign ting in a German car. Link a black ting in a foreign car, yeah. I know how to glide on youths. Do a drill, we don't tell no blogs. Rockstar, yeah, I sweep the streets. Scatty shots with a dirty mop. You never banged it off, you little slag. Baddie, DXD with the guys. Double left, slap the dash. Skirt, do the dash. Flamenco dance, my stainless steel. Yo, tryna get that kill. I'm a black boy, I'm DXD for real. Yeah, we drippin', Jewel, yeah, we drippin'. Back that Chile flamenco dance. Doing white tea, turn red, that's France. They're telling me TK.
BGody, big up.
I hear them, they're making me dance. Flow so sick, still got enhanced. When I'm chillin' in stew, gotta spark this dog. Like a Zubi, yeah, your gal gets passed. Like a Zubi, yeah, your friend gets Ross.
I slap that strally, flamenco, pissed your boy turn Cali, Tenko. 14, that's half a Z, but age 40 used to trap by Tresco. Young G's that rap on your block in 019.
Bro, I can't forget the fucking, what name? The Dre Baptiste fucking channel, dog. Like, see the young YA fam. Big up YA still, let's go.
I slap that strally, flamenco, pissed your boy turn Cali, Tenko. 14, that's half a Z, but age 40 used to trap by Tresco. Young G's that rap on your block in 019, by me they got sent home. I can't chill around that snitch, bitch, better off trapping on Encos. Lift up the ting then let go, big bro shoot that, make it a movie. Link man we can slide, 2C, corn for your oldest, ching up a juvie. All black on the CG, spooky, TZ, whoozy, bro he looks spooky. 10-10 girl, I get racks and chill, not linking, meaty, groupies.
Ooh. Ooh, I'm hearing that flow again. YA, fuck off.
That rap on your block in 019 by me, they got sent home.
aye.
I can't chill around that snitch, bitch. Better off trapping on Encros. Lift up the ting, then let go. Big bro, shoot that, make it a movie. Link man, we can slide. 2C, corn for your oldest, ching up a
Juvie, aye.
All black on the CG, spooky. TZ, Whoosy, bro, he looks spooky. 10, go, I get racks and chill, not linking meaty, groupie.
Oh.
I just back my ying and I have man chilling, flamenco dancing. Get dropped, try slide, no ops on tops, and a man looks silly, you prancing, I got a bad one brocking on man and the back's all jiggly bouncing, We just smoke this ounce when we step outside to the do man's dance. Step out on a slab and a super bad school days when I had that Jillian Hans. When I told man's monks there was so much fluff. Man, they must get chilly in France. When I heard their songs there was so much bluff. Cause they not touched us not once. And them quay out feds want man in them cuffs. And it's all for the love of fun. Step out of the car, make veterans run. Who's that? NR, cause they know that it's no remorse. Big facts, never, man, no, I don't do this demon thing. My broski's fuck, man, he come like Trevor. One man on the handle, rever. One hop off, tryna deeply sever. Lean with it, beam with it.
Hey, lean with it, beam with it. Listen, that song is sick. Lean with it. Check out my lean with it reaction. But TZ in the No Jumper, like the block interview thing, you want to say that, you know, like, I don't do the demon thing, but my bros do it, like YA and Lucii do it. But, you know, I like him. I like when he put that in the song, though.
Big facts, never, man, no, I don't do this demon thing. My broski's fuck, man, he come like Trevor. One man on the handle, rever. One hop off, tryna deeply sever.
Lean with it, beam with it. Lean out the window, sweep with it. Mop with it.
Hey, listen, I want to catch that.
Deeply sever.
Lean with it, beam with it. Lean out the window, sweep with it. Mop with it, pop with it. Flamenco dance, they're rocking it. And why it? How can they talk on my name? If I hop at the dinger and squeeze that trigger, I'll see them cowards migrate. Crime rate in Lewisham Borough, it's us that raise it. I can't step out without my thingy, I get itchy and I start to crave it. God knows I stay with a drink that juice and hydrate. If I quit music at the end of the year, I'm turning my pagans high grade.
Back that chimney flow.
Please, alright, so Lucii, don't quit music by the end of the year, bro. Just keep making music. Can you do that for us, please? Jesus Christ. What's wrong with you, bro?
At the end of the year, I'm turning my pagans high grade.
Back that chimney
Flamenco dance.
Blue white tea turn red, that's France. They're telling me TK a choosing chart. When I hear them, they making me dance. Flow so sick, still got enhanced. When I'm chilling in stew, gotta spark this dog. Like a Zubi, your gun gets passed. Like a Zubi, your friend gets rust.
This album plug so major, coming like a Mike Tyson in the 80s. Cause the way I move these boxes, I'm a heavyweight in my field G. Whip it hard, whip it fast, whip it daily. T-house looking like it's North Pole in the middle of summer, it's crazy. 1,000 bits on the trolley, hundreds mine and the rest gets shared. But if the price is right, I might take it or I won't leave it there. The levels I'm on is crazy, whip that Lambo truck on the daily. Got Stacey Whitney giving me head in the back of the Bentley. All sheep is with me, you beat me Holmesy crocodilly. Don't be silly, my gun shoot silly. My gun choice brazen, the cost of Nolium pill on a baby. We drop the art, flamenco dance, we done man deadly.
We got white and B, not body, I'm tryna get boat like Escobars. Bars go over your head, I ain't buying no packs from Tesco.
Bars go over your head. Alright, let me listen it again. Since you say it went over my head, fam, let me listen.
We drop the art,
Wait a
flamenco dance, we done man deadly.
We got white and B, not body, I'm tryna get
YMB no Goddy.
We drop the art, flamenco dance, we done man deadly.
We got white and B, not body, I'm
Oh, we got YMB no Goddy. I thought he said YMB. He said white and B. Hey, we got the white and the black, got the white and the dark. Hey, we got YMB no Goddy. Jeez.
We drop the art, flamenco dance, we done man deadly.
We got white and B, no Goddy, I'm tryna get boat like
Escobars.
Escobars. Bars go over your head, I ain't buying no packs from Tesco.
No.
Man wanna jump on board, you should've been there from the get-go.
Aye.
No dirt to your name, but you still gassed up on the net though. I'm tryna see money like Mitch. Yeah. Nina or ten, I still want my dough, I ain't talking about switch. If you can't run that, please don't tick. Don't get caught and wet like a bitch. Bare red rung when I sauce that prick. Rocking this blue, but I ain't no crip. Back that chimney flamenco dance. Blue white tea turn.
What the fuck was that? Fam, I thought this guy spit again and no, that was sick, that was sick.
Like a bitch, bare red rung when I sauce that prick. Rocking this blue, but I ain't no crip. Back that chimney flamenco dance. Blue white tea turn red, that's France. They're telling me TK a choosing chart. When I hear them, they're making me dance. Flow so sick, still got enhanced. When I'm chilling in stew, gotta spark this dog. Like a Zubi, yeah, your gal gets passed. Like a Zubi, yeah, your friend gets rust.
Hey. Gang. Go thoughts. Frauds. Tuesday chart. Yo. And then I saw TK doing first performance and his mother was there like, yo. Big up TK or Stretch. Question. Does TK mean tall kid? Cause tall kid or Stretch? Tall kid Stretch. You understand? He's a very tall guy. I'm guessing that's what TK means. But anyway. This. Whoo. Alright. No. We have a difficult decision here, boys. Because the previous 3 songs, them, too late. This, too late. You saw my reactions, bro. I can't give this less than a 9. I can't. But do I give it a 10? Nah, I give it a... Fuck. Nah, I have to give it a 9, dog. I have to give it a 9. Just because... Nah, just because the previous 3 songs, dog. That's the only reason why. Probably if this was the only song I listened to for today, I would probably give it the 10. You understand? But listen, still a 9 though. Like, this song was fucking amazing, dog. I'm sweating again. You can see my energy, fam. You see me? So big up TKR Stretch, Peckham Rockstar, BGody. Big up YA, TzGwala, Lucii, and Escobar. You understand? Big up TK Stretch most of all. And which site upload this? Which page? Was this Press Play mixtape? Press Play Media. Big up Press Play Media as well. You understand? Never disappointed. You're right. You understand? What? Walks come in? Walks was in this video? That was Walks? No. That guy in the white was Walks? Cap. You're capping. No way that's Walks, bro. Yo, if that's Walks in the video, let me know in the comments. Jesus Christ. Is this him? Like, share, comment, subscribe. And I'm about this motherfucker, man. Peace.
Yeah, come with the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. Pon the 400 quick, believe me, girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link pon the toll and come for reach me, yeah, girl. Bring pussy to me, yeah, girl. Get round to